Ndewo ndị be anyị, afọ m bụ Nwada Chidimma. In today's video, I'll continue the Igbo alphabet. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. If you've seen my last video, I made the first 6 letters of the Igbo alphabet. That's what I made in that video. So in today's video, this will be a continuation. So join me, make sure you practice, make sure you watch the video over and over again till you master the pronunciation. So today we'll be starting with the 7th letter of the Igbo alphabet, and also we'll be giving examples, with words that begin with these letters. Can you do? Let's begin. So the 7th letter is G. G. G stands for Gawa. Gawa. So Gawa means go. Go. Gawa. The next letter is B. B. B stands for Wako. 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 So that means gather together. Wako. The next letter is Ri. Ri. Ri stands for Water. Water. Water means understand. Understand. Water. You must have heard Igotar. That means do you understand? Igotar. So Igotar means understand. The next letter is We. So this is like a soft sound. We stands for Wongworo. 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 Wongworo means truck. Wongworo. Wongworo. Next letter is He. He stands for horror. 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 So you choose. Choose. So if you want to tell someone, choose this, you say horonka. Horonka. So horror means choose. The next letter is E. And that will be the last one for this video. E. It stands for E.T. E.T. So this is a very common item in the kitchen. E.T. E.T. means pot. E.T. Pot. So try to practice these letters. I'm doing it like bit by bit, so like overwhelmed. In my next video, I'll continue from where I stop now. So try to practice, try to make new words too using these letters. With time, you're going to master the pronunciation. See you in my next video. Godin.